Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I am discussing about diagonals of polygons. Diagonal of polygon. This is the formula to calculate a diagonal of a polygon. This is n into n minus 3 upon 2, where n equals to number of sides. But we have to keep in our mind that n should be greater than 3, because if we put 3 here like this, 3 into 3 minus 3 upon 2, this will become 0 and our answer will be 0, because a polygon with 3 sides is a triangle and it has no diagonal. Suppose this is a rectangle, and here and in this polygon we have two diagonals. 4, a rectangle has 4 sides. 4 into 4 minus 3 upon 2, it is 4 into 1 upon 2 equals to 2. Okay, and in this formula n minus 3 equals to number of diagonals sent by each vertices. So in a rectangle n is 4, so when we put n equals to 4 minus 3 equals to 1, so each vertex of a rectangle send one diagonal. See in this figure, one vertex sends each diagonal only. Let's start with some of our simple exercises. First question is, find the number of sides of the following polygon. This is our first figure. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 sides, so it is a hexagon. So n equals to 6. When we put n equals to 6 in our formula, it is 6 into 6 minus 3 upon 2, 6 into 3 upon 2. Our answer will be 9. So a regular hexagon has 9 diagonals, and this is our answer. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 octagon. 8 sides. So a regular octagon has 8 sides. When we put 8 in place of n, we get 8 into 8 minus 3 upon 2. 8 into 5 upon 2, it is 20. So our regular octagon has 20 diagonals, and this is our answer. Question is, each angle of a polygon is 144 degree. Find the number of diagonals it has. In earlier video, we have discussed about each angle of a polygon, how to calculate each angle of a polygon, and the formula was each angle is 180 minus 360 upon n. Okay, and the given is each angle of a polygon. So 144 equals to 180 minus 360 upon n. It is 360 upon n equals to 36. 360 equals to 36n, and n equals to 10. Now we have got n equals to 10. Now we have to calculate the number of diagonals of a polygon which has 10 sides. So number of diagonals equals to n into n minus 3 upon 2, 10 into 10 minus 3, 7 upon 2 equals to 35 diagonals. We were asked about the number of diagonals it has. So our answer is 35 diagonals. Now this is our last question. A polygon has 170 diagonals. Find the number of diagonals if one of its vertices does not send any diagonal. So this is a very important question, and in this type of question, first we have to calculate the number of sides the polygon has. So we have to again use that formula. The number of diagonals of a polygon equals to n into n minus 3 upon 2, and number of diagonals is 170. 170 equals to n into n minus 3 upon 2, or n into n minus 3 equals to 340. N square minus 3n equals to 340. N square minus 3n minus 340 equals to 0, or we can write n square minus 20n plus 17n minus 340 equals to 0. N into n minus 20 plus 17 into n minus 20 equals to 0. It is n plus 17, n minus 20 equals to 0, and there are two possible values of n equals to minus 17 or 20, but the number of sides can never be negative, so n equals to 20. The number of sides of the polygon is 20 sides. Now what we have to do is at the beginning we discussed about n minus 3 equals to number of diagonals sent by each vertices. So in this question, the number of sides of the question is 20. Now the number of diagonal sent by each vertex of a polygon which has 20 sides is 20 minus 3, because n minus 3 is the number of diagonals sent by each vertex. So n equals to 20 equals to 17 diagonals. Now, so in a polygon which has 20 sides, each vertex will send 17 diagonals. And our question was, find the number of diagonals if one of its vertices does not send any diagonal. So only one of its vertex does not send any diagonal. That means that vertex will not send 17 diagonals, and total diagonals was 170. It is given a polygon has 170 diagonals. So if one of the vertex will not does not send any diagonal, then our answer will be 170 diagonals minus the number of diagonals sent by each vertex, which was 17, equals to 153 diagonals. And this is our answer. So thank you friends, and if you have any query, you can write it in the comment section. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe Infinity Maths. Thank you.